Welcome back, bentornati su My Football Jersey. This is a retro jersey of Ajax of 30 years ago. This is for the season 95-96 infant version of one player that at the time was really famous, Litmanen. The jersey is gorgeous, in my opinion, wonderful. In my ranking, this is a 5 stars. I really like the colors, and also because it reminds me an old memory that I had at the time, because I was really young. I don't know if you was born or not. Anyway, if you like the jersey, smash the like button. Write a comment to tell me what other jersey you would like to see in the future. I will do my best to order the jersey and review it on the channel. Before to say goodbye, please visit my new YouTube channel, My Jersey Face Off. I hope it will enjoy you. And subscribe the channel. It's just a click, but it's really important. See you next time. Ciao!